Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all how I made this delicious Nigerian yam porridge. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. Here is my dried shrimps, like smoked shrimps, and here is my crayfish blended, and here I have one smoked fish. Here is my red bell pepper, onion, my red palm oil. Here I have my salt, stock cube, and here is my yam. In case you are wondering why it's like this, it was preserved in the freezer for over 3 weeks now. In case you don't know how to preserve yam, I have the video which I'll be leaving in the description box for you to check out. So I have here a bit of spinach that I'll be using for my porridge. So now I will just go and blend my pepper and onion together. I love to blend my onion instead of diced. So now let's get started. So put a pot on fire and pour in some amount of red palm oil, just like this. So when the oil is a bit hot, not bleached, pour in your blended pepper and onion. You know, you can actually blend tomato with this too, but I usually don't like using tomato. I prefer to use the red bell pepper. Now go in with salt to taste. Next, my stock cube. I'm just going to add in some black pepper. This is optional. Now I will just throw in my washed smoked fish. My smoked shrimps. Now I will put in my yam, which is the main ingredients. Mix everything together and pour in a good amount of water to cook the yam. Guys, note, when using frozen yam, you don't have to defrost the yam because it won't come out right. You put the yam straight from the freezer, just like I did. Now cover and allow to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on how soft you want your yam to be. So while it was boiling, I decided to throw in a bit of spicy pepper. This is optional. This is for those who loves it spicy, and I love it spicy. So this is after cooking for about 12 minutes or so. Now I'm going to add in my diced spinach. Yeah, the spinach comes last so you don't overcook it. So 5 minutes later, our porridge is done and ready to be served. Guys, this porridge was very tasty. I enjoyed every bit of it and was spicy just the way I like it. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.